Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue Windows Security not opening in Windows 10 or 11. The Windows Security application is your inbuilt tool how to meet all security needs. Windows Security application allows you to manage the security settings of your device in one place. If you're facing the issue where Windows Security is not opening or not working on your Windows 10 11 PC, don't worry about it. Here we have a few ways to fix this issue. You can use any one of these solutions to make the Windows Security application functional again. Do let us know which solutions worked out the best for you. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Solution number 1. Uninstall third-party antivirus software. Open the Run Dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run Dialog box field, type Control and press Enter key to open the control panel. In the control panel, change the view option to get the full control panel settings like this. Under control panel settings, now click on the program and features. Then you will see a many installed applications. Then find your third-party antivirus software and then right click on it and choose uninstall or change to remove it to get rid of Windows Defender not working issue. Once done, restart your PC and try launching Windows Security and try running a scan again using the Windows Defender security tool to check if the issue solved or not. Next, solution number 2. Enable the Windows Update, Windows Security Service and Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service in the Windows Service Manage list. Follow these quick steps to do that. Open the Run Dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run Dialog box field, type services.msc and press Enter key to open the services settings page. In the services list, scroll down until you find either Windows Update and then double click on it. It will open Windows Update Properties. Here under General tab, from the Startup Type drop down menu, select Automatic. Once done, then if the service status is stopped, click the Start button to enable the Windows Update service like this. Then click Apply to keep the changes and then click OK. If you are on any Windows version, find either each one service like Windows Security Service, Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection Service, Security Center Service, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service, and Microsoft Defender Antivirus Network Inspection Service. And then double click on it. Ensure they are running and set to automatic. If the service status is not running, set to automatic and then click Start or Restart if needed. Once done, then click Apply to keep the changes and then click OK like this. Once done, close the services page and try running a scan again using the Windows Defender security tool to check if the issue is solved or not. Next, solution number 3. Change your group policy editor settings. Sometimes by mistake turned off your group policy. This can be a problem, but you are able to fix it simply by changing the group policy editor. To do that, open the Run Dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run Dialog box field, type gpedit.msc and press Enter key to open the group policy editor. In the local group policy editor, go to the left pane and navigate to this path by clicking to open the computer configuration folder. Then open the administrative templates folder. Then open the Windows components folder. Then select the Windows Defender Antivirus folder like this and then go to the right pane. Here find either turn off Windows Defender Antivirus and then double click on it. It will open turn off Windows Defender Antivirus settings. Here in the pop-up window, choose Not Configured and then click Apply to keep the changes and click OK. Once done, close the group policy editor and try running a scan again using the Windows security tool to check if the issue solved or not. Next, solution number 4. Modify Windows Registry Editor. When you fails to enable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11, the problem may be related to your registry. Then you can change it to fix this issue. To do that, follow the steps. Open the Run Dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box, we'll type regedit and press Enter key to open the registry editor. Then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt to open the registry editor. In the Windows registry editor, go to the left pane and navigate to this path by clicking to open the HKUI local machine key folder like this. Then open software key folder. Then open the policy key folder and then open Microsoft key folder. Here under Microsoft key folder, select Windows Defender key folder and then go to the right pane. Then go ahead on disable anti-spyware key and then double click on it. If this key not listed here, create it. Please right click the blank area and choose new and then select dword 32-bit. Once done, change its name disable anti-spyware without any space like this. Once done, then double click on it and set its value data to 0 like this and click OK. Once done, close Windows Registry and try running a scan again using the Windows Defender security tool to check if the issue solved or not. Next is solution number 5. Repair or reset the Windows security application. If this system component still is not working right now, repair or reset it. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type Windows Security. Then from the search results, you will see many options. Then click on Windows Security Application Settings like this. It will open Windows Security Settings page. Then scroll down to the Reset section. Here under Reset section, you will see Repair or Reset options. Then click on Repair like this. This will repair Windows Security Application. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is solved or not. After that, if repair fails, if repair does not work, then click on Reset like this. Then you will see a confirmation message. This will delete all storage data. Then click on Reset again like this. This will reset Windows Security Application. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once complete, then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next, solution number 6. Reset the Windows Security Application with PowerShell. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type PowerShell and in the search results, you need to run PowerShell as administrator. Select PowerShell Run as Administrator. Then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open PowerShell with admin privilege. In the PowerShell window, type this command. Copy and paste this command from the description box below. Copy and paste and then press Enter. This will reset your Windows Security Application. Once complete the reset, close the PowerShell window and try running a scan again using the Windows Security tool. That's all. Solution number 7. Repair Windows Security using SFC scan or DASM tool. First of all, make sure internet connected properly on your device and then you need to open command prompt with admin privilege. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select Run as Administrator. Then click Yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command: dasm.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press Enter. This command line tool will begin scanning and repairing corrupted or missing system files. This may take some time depending on your system and it's normal for it to pause or seem stuck at certain percentages. Be patient and do not close the command prompt windows until the scan is 100% complete. Okay, DASM command specifies that should run against your currently running Windows installation rather than offline image. It performs cleanup and recovery file operations on the running operating system. Restore Health scans the local Windows image files for corrupted files. If corrupted files is found, it will attempt to repair it by downloading necessary files from live Windows update. Okay. Once the DSM command is finished under percentage complete successfully, if the SFC scan failed to resolve the issue before, run SFC scan a final time to repair any remaining issues. You should run SFC scan again for successful finish. Do it again. Run a system file checker, SFC scan. Let's start. To do that, first of all, you need to open command prompt with admin privilege. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD, and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select run as administrator, then click yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command /scan now and press enter. This command line tool will begin scanning and repairing corrupted or missing system files. This may take some time depending on your system. Be patient. Do not close the command prompt window until the scan is 100% complete. Microsoft recommends running the SFC scan to fix any remaining corrupted system files. This command is a key part of Windows repair and is often run after other troubleshooting steps have failed. It is most useful for fixing issues with Windows update that prevent it from downloading necessary files. Corrupted system files can cause a variety of problems, including critical errors like the blue screen of death, general instability, or features that don't work correctly. Running the command SFC scan can automatically fix these issues by replacing bad files with good ones. Once the scan is finished, once done, then restart your computer to apply any changes. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.